Hey, what's up guys, this is with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the Asus Zenfone 10, the new compact powerhouse by Asus, and we're comparing it against the Google Pixel 7, another excellent and also quite compact phone. And we're testing the video recording, 4K video, 30 frames per second, using the main camera right now. Do you see any differences? And which one do you think does a better job? Alright, good. You can also switch to the Ultralight Camera, so you get a much wider perspective, great for tight spaces. Which one has the wider perspective? And are there any differences you see in terms of just the quality of the recording? Of course, ultra-wide recordings usually don't look quite as good as the main camera, but yeah. So let's switch back to the main camera, and one of the great things about the Zenfone 10 is its video stabilization. So let's walk briskly and check that out in comparison to the Pixel 7. Alright. Taking off the face. Alright, which one do you think did a better job with the video stabilization? Alright guys, nighttime video recording on the Asus Zenfone 10 against the Google Pixel 7. Which one does a better job? This is the question that we want to answer. At least in the viewfinder here, definitely looks like the Pixel is winning. It just has more color, brighter picture, but maybe the screen is lying. So that's why we always look at these samples after we capture them on a computer, on a larger screen, so we can see all the detail. Alright, and this is a pretty nice view here. Let's also switch to the ultra-wide camera. You can notice an immediate drop in the quality. Almost useless, but you can still see something on the Pixel. The quality is not very good though. Back to 1x on both phones. So which one do you think does a better job with nighttime video? The Zenfone 10 or the Pixel?